Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into your chess.com application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, launch the chess.com app open on your mobile device. Once you open up the app, you'll end up in the home page. Go to the top right corner and tap on the sign up button. Now, within the sign up menu, if you don't have an account yet, you can create your new account. Choose whether you'd like to sign up with email, Apple ID, Google account, or with your Facebook account. To log into your existing account, tap the login button at the top right corner. From the login interface, choose whether you'd like to log in with Apple, Google, or Facebook. You can also log in with username or email followed by your password. Select the same method that you used while signing up for your account previously. I'm going to choose the username or email option. Go ahead and type in your username or email address in the text box and then type in your password associated with your account in the password text box. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow through the prompts. After entering your credential, tap on Login and you will then be able to sign in or log in to your chess.com account. So that's how you easily log into your existing chess.com account in just a few minutes. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.